How to use VHS effect in Picsart. Want to create a retro or glitchy vibe? Here's how to use VHS effect in Picsart. First, upload your photo in Picsart and head to the Effects tab. Scroll until you find VHS or look under the glitch or retro categories. Once applied, adjust the static, distortion, and polar bleed sliders to control how intense the effect looks. You can also mask areas to keep parts of the image clean, while others show the VHS look. Once you are done, hit apply and save your nostalgic edit. Have you tried VHS on portraits or videos? Share your ideas in the comments below. Pair VHS with grain and tiny stab stickers to complete the vintage tape aesthetic. And that's how you can use VHS effect in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.